am Preeti. In this video, I'm going to explain exercise 6.3 from question number 15. Till 14, I already explained in the last video. Okay, so what is question number 15? A vertical pole of a length 6 meter. Means we have one pole. The length of pole is 6 meter. Casts a shadow 4 meter long. Means the shadow of this pole is 4 meter. We will just make a triangle, okay, on the ground. And at the same time, okay, a tower casts a shadow. There is another tower. Height is not given. Let's say it's h meter, and shadow 28 meter. Find the height of the tower, okay. Here it's mentioned at the same time. So if two objects are making a shadow on the same object at the same time, so angle of elevation will be equals, okay. So we can say that we are making at A, B, C, and this one P, Q, R. Okay, so angle ABC will be equals to angle PQR, correct? Angle ABC equals to angle PQR, correct? Because angle of elevation will be equals for both the objects. Okay, so if these two angles are equals, and if there is a tower and this is a ground, so tower will always make 90 degree on the object, or any tower or any pole. Okay, so this is 90 degree. So we can say that angle ACB equals to, because tower will be always 90 degree, not slanting. Any tower will be, or any pole will be making 90 degree from the object. It's not like slanting. Okay, so angle ACB equals to angle PRQ. Okay, PRQ, which is equals to 90 degree. So the third angle, this will automatically be equals to this. Why? Because the sum of these three angles will be 180 degree. Okay, so according to angle similarity criteria, this both the triangle ABC will be similar to triangle PQR, right? PQR. So if those two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are proportional. So we will take AC by PR equals to BC by QR. Fine. No need for the third side. Okay. So what is AC values? AC value is 6. PR is, we don't know. We can write it down as H. BC is 4 by, this is 24. Okay. So what is H? H equal to 24 28 into 6 by 4, right? Then 7 4s are 28. Okay, then 7 into 6 means height of the tower is 42 meter. Then now question number 16. This is the last question of exercise 6.3. So what is question number 16? If AD and PM are medians of triangle ABC and PQR, means we have two triangle. This is triangle ABC and this is triangle PQR, and AD is the median. Median means this, if D is a point, means BD equals to DC. If AD is the median, okay, and here PM is the median. Okay, so it's given that both triangle are similar, means triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Okay, so prove that. What we have to prove? AB by PQ equals to AD by PM. Okay, let's see here. AB by PQ equals to AD by PM. This we have to prove. Okay, means they are talking about this triangle ABD and PQM. If we are able to prove that these two triangles are similar, then we can say that their corresponding sides are proportional. Then we are able to prove this, right? So how to make these two triangles similar? Let's see. What is given ki ABC is similar to PQR. Okay, that means their corresponding sides are proportional and the corresponding angles are equal, right? So what is the corresponding side? Since triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, correct? So corresponding sides AB by PQ equals to BC by QR equals to AC by PR. AC by PR is not required, but still I wrote this. Okay. So what is BC? Instead of BC, can we write 2BD? What is BC? BC equals to BD plus DC, right? BD plus DC. And what is DC? DC equals to BD, correct? Because these two are equals. So instead of BD plus, instead of DC, can we write again BD? So what is BD plus BD? Twice of BD. So instead of BC, can we write twice BD? Yes, as I explained here, right? So here I am writing the same thing. AB by PQ equals to BC is twice of BD and QR. So similarly, what will be the QR? QR equal to twice of QM, right? So twice of QM. Okay, so 2 we can cancel. So that means AB by PQ equals to BD by QM, right? Also, if two triangles are similar, that means their corresponding angles will be equal. Means angle A equals to angle P, or angle B equals to angle Q, and angle C equals to angle R, right? We just need angle B equals to angle Q. Make it as 1. Okay. So also angle B equals to angle Q from equation 1. Okay. So if we will see these triangles ABD and PQM. Okay. So AB by PQ equals to BD by QM, BD by QM. So if here angle B equals to angle Q, which is the what we can say, middle of these two sides, right? So if two sides are in the proportional and the angle between them is equals, then we can say that according to side similarity criteria, these two triangles are similar, right? So that means triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQM, correct? So if these two triangles are similar, means the rest sides are proportional, correct? So AB by PQ equals to, this is already given here, BD equals to QM, BD by QM, and this the third one. What is the third one? AD by PM, correct? What is the third side of this triangle? First is AB, second one is BD. These two triangles already given, these are in the same proportion. So what is the third one? The third one is AD. So AD by PM will be also similar, correct? So same thing we have to prove, right? See here, AB by PQ equals to AD by PM, correct? So this is proved now. Fine. So now the exercise 6.3 has been done. From the next video, we will see how to resolve exercise 6.4. Okay. If you have any doubt in this video, please write the comments in the comment section. Please like and share my video. Also subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you.